Good morning, everyone. Yesterday during our data session, the question was posed, what instructional skills should teachers focus on as we're preparing for our 7-week countdown for NWEA? So we all know that the learning continuum has a huge amount of skills that they are looking for our students to know in time for the assessment. And we know we only have 7 weeks, so we're not going to be able to get to all those skills. So I'm going to show you how to use the next generation report to identify a smaller group of skills for students. So first thing, and there are going to be a couple of different ways that you can access it. The first one is if you want to go right into your NWEA account and access the reports. So first you're going to log in. After you log in, you want to go to Map Growth Reports. The list is going to come down with the different types of reports, and you want to go to Next Generation Reports, and you want to select the student profile. Only your class is going to show up, but you'll need to have your term, your school, your name. We will do... Let's do a kid from Etsiosis class. So you select the class, and then I'm going to select a random student. So let's try Zaria. So after that, you'll click the student profile. On the cover page of the profile, it will show you instructional areas, and then it'll highlight the suggested area of focus. Now, something to remember with the NWEA is that each instructional area is weighted the same. So each instructional area is worth the same amount of points. It's not one is more important than the other like on some other assessments. So right here we can see that Zaria scored 173 on measurement and data. She was in the 180 range, the 187 range, and the 188 range in the others. So the suggested area of focus for Zaria is measurement and data. You can drill down further and you can look at specific skills around measurement and data that Zaria should work on and that she's ready to develop. You can also select map skills assessments for Zaria to use based on where she is. So that is right here in her student profile. What I have done is I have taken the cover page from all of our student profiles and I've put them in a winter data instructional area folder. You can select your class's name. So that was Miss Etsiosis class. So we could select her name, and then the form is going to appear for all of her students with their instructional areas. You'll notice that some students scored similarly in all areas. So this student here scored a 168 in geometry, a 173 in measurement data, and a 173 in numbers and operations. We should pick geometry, but you could pick the other areas as well. But the report online has the drill down skills. I am also working on entering the recommended areas of focus right onto our spreadsheet. So I got through most of the classes. I'm going to work on it through the day, and my goal is to have everybody's in before we leave for the weekend this weekend, so you all can do some additional work. I'll be back on Friday. Let me know if you have any questions in the meantime. Just shoot me an email. If you want to play around with it, I encourage you. If you want some extra help when I get back, let me know. Have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.